For many years, I see things in common from many of our credit repair clients. Many clients keep their credit card balances high and have a hard time keeping them low. It's only logical. When life is hurting you, you have financial emergencies, or just need a little help to get you to the next payday. Prices are high on just about everything we purchase, and it's not getting any better. We can't ask you not to have emergencies, but please also know how bad it's hurting you. Your credit card utilization should always be below 30%. As an example, if you have a $300 credit card, you should keep your balance below $90. The reason this is so important is that it's also tied to your FICO score. Credit card utilization works hand in hand with your FICO score. If you are high on utilization, you are low on FICO score. If you are low on utilization, you are high on FICO score. When a client calls me about their scores, this is the first thing we talk about. Since you can't avoid emergencies, just be aware of the harm the credit cards will do to your scores and also be aware of how to recover. On each of your credit card statements, you'll see a beginning and ending date. This is the period of time you are being billed for in that billing cycle. The billing end date is also the picture that is sent to the bureaus. Should you have an emergency throughout the month, just be sure you have made extra payments before that ending date so that it does not hurt you. High utilization can hurt you even more. Let's say you are making a car payment on time. As an example, maybe you were to get 20 points for making that car payment on time. The system is set up to muffle your good actions also. Because you are high on utilization at the time of this on-time car payment, you maybe only get 10 points. If you are doing credit repair, as another example, a collection item is 60 to 80 points, if deleted. If your credit utilization is high and we get the collections item deleted, you may only see partial increase for something you should have seen a much higher increase in points. The whole system views credit utilization as a testament to how well you handle your finances. It is crucial that you master this practice and keep your credit cards lower than 30%. If your credit card balances have already gotten out of hand, then these are your choices. Either make extra payments on the credit cards to get them paid down. Get additional credit cards and keep them extremely low, so that the overall utilization is lower. Get your existing/open credit cards to raise the credit limit on the cards. Sign up for Kickoff. We suggest the premium plan, which costs $20 a month and gives you a $2,500 credit line on all 3 bureaus. All of these will help to lower the utilization. Your goal is to get as close to 1% as you can. Not 0, 1%. Buy a candy bar once a month, wait until the closing date, and send the payment. That's the best scenario to achieve, and you will get rewarded for doing so. In 2020, FICO 10T was rolled out to give financial institutions a bigger view of their consumers' spending habits and to lessen their risk. Very recently, it was announced to the mortgage industry to start using this calculation of FICO. The mortgage industry tends to delay a bit when a new FICO calculation comes out. I'm assuming there's a lot of work that goes into these changes, like software updates, etc. FICO 10T doesn't just look back at how you paid your credit cards last month. It looks back 2 years. So, if you are consistently maxing out on your credit cards, carrying a high balance, or even going over your credit limit, this will be reflected on your scores and may disqualify you for some of your future financial goals. They will also be able to see if you require the need to get a loan to pay those credit cards. That is a bad thing also. With the current economic situation, we will continue to face challenges in cost and what it takes to live a comfortable life. It is imperative that you become considerably more disciplined in your spending habits to have a chance for future dreams like purchasing a home, a car, reduced interest rates, lower insurance, and the list continues. If we can help you with your credit and achieving your goals, please give us a call. Elite Credit Solutions, 813-317-6776.